Alright, every video I seen don't show you how to take the manifold out. And I'm gonna show you so you can figure it out. What's up? I've been gone for a couple weeks. Hey, I'm gonna start dropping videos once a month, and I just go over everything that I did that month. Places we went, events we went to, that type of stuff. Grace is currently about to get worked on, so I gotta change the oil filter housing. It's leaking coolant, so gotta dig in. Let me get her up, start tearing it down, see what we got going on. Alright, every video I seen don't show you how to take the manifold out. And I'm gonna show you so you can figure it out. There's gonna be bolts in these areas. You're gonna have to unhook these holes right here. Push this out the way. And you got one bolt right there where I got this bolt right here. Bolt right here. And right here. Then there's one more all the way to the back. Essentially, after I unhook these, then I should be able to take it off. So let's see. Yeah, they ain't showing you this. I don't know how to get this out of here. I'm trying to get it out without breaking up a bunch of. But yeah, you got to get this out of here. You know, everybody want to start with the manifold already out. Like, that's the hardest part of this. Trying to make sure you get all that out. Because for some reason, the bolt in the back didn't want to screw all the way out the hole and let me pull it out. So finally got it out. Now I just got to get it actually out. And yeah, I'm gonna try to work on that. So it's a hose under here. A hose under here. We're gonna pull that out. It's connected to the bottom. That's for yeah. So it's two hoses, coolant hoses on the bottom of it. Set these up out the way, kind of, so I'm gonna leave that hanging. Mechanics don't tear me up too bad. All right, so this is what we gotta get. I gotta get to this right here. This right here. This is what we about to get to. So we gotta disconnect all that. It's all kind of hoses and stuff down in there, and then we'll get it disconnected. What a beautiful day to live. All right, so I'm still out here messing with this. All right. So I had to take the whole head unit out, the whole section right here. Kind of flipped it back out of the way so that I could get to that top bolt right there. That bolt right there. Now, I still have to figure out a slick way to get to that bottom bolt. It's nighttime now. As you see, I had to tear everything on this side out. Leaned it back just to get to it. So Had to label everything, so make sure you label all of your computer, everything that goes back to your computer, because if you don't label them, your car won't start. You hook it up wrong. So, but yeah, so that's where I'm at with this right now. I just got everything tore down. I think I'm finna tack this bottom bolt and get this thing out of here, get all this stuff back together tomorrow, and get this car back running. So yeah, keep up with me.
What a beautiful day to live.
All right, I got it out. It's not fun. I'm just gonna be honest. It's very awkward to get to everything. If I ever have to do this again, I'm taking it to BMW. It's just a lot of, it's no space, awkward angles. But I finally got it out, so here it is. Let's see what we got. Really don't know why it was leaking, but it was. So I gotta get down in there, clean up the area, and then we'll put everything back. I gotta swap out the oil cooler. You know, swap out the bolts and all that, and then shoot, we getting busy. Yeah, let's get it. Okay, I got it back in. It wasn't as hard going in as it was coming out. Now I'm gonna put all this stuff together. I'm not finna show all of that, but I'm gonna put all this back together and see what we got. Hey man, in the realest way that it could be understood, credit changes everything. A lot of times we get told as we coming up, cash, buy everything with cash, put in cash. You know, cash can only carry you so far. You know what I'm saying? You want to buy a house. How many of y'all honestly have 200,000, 300,000 just laying around to buy a house? Can't do it. So if you don't understand that, you got to start getting on the credit system, understanding how credit works. And you got to get some cash. You can live and move a lot more efficiently. And that's just the reality of this. So me learning this over some years and learning how a credit system works, buying a house, multiple cars, doing things like that, stuff that I want to do in life, I continue to get cash and I'll learn how the credit system works. And it helped me with this. So, you know, if you are a beginner, credit is real. Go pick this up. Credit is real. It's not a very big book. It's a nice little thin read. and it'll tell you how to get started, give you some strategies on how to look at this thing, maybe some ways that you haven't been looking at it before. So, you know, take a couple minutes, go on Amazon, link in the description, check me out. Just want to help some people, so I figure I'll write a book. Lorenzo Chatmon's Credit is Real, you know, and it is real. It is real as we walk out here. You know what I'm saying? It is real, no cap. That's my house on the front of the book, by the way. You know what I'm saying? No cap. You know, credit is real. You know, if you want to learn that system, pick up my book.